Welcome to the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at St. Joseph Engineering College, Mangaluru, and skill yourself in technologies that power the world. Equip yourself with the concepts of power sector, semiconductor technology, electrical and electronic circuit debugging, electric vehicle technology, industrial automation, special electric appliances, process control, and many such exciting courses which are in big demand at the job market.
Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department of SGEC has a team of qualified, internationally certified faculty and industrial standard state-of-the-art lab facilities that contribute to the enhancement of 3H: head, hand and heart.
The Electrical and Electronics Engineering program at SJAC has secured the much coveted NB accreditation for 3 consecutive cycles from 2013 to 2022. We offer internationally recognized outcome-based education (OB) that prepares our students to be industry ready. This reflects in the exceptional placement records of our students.
Our students develop projects which mainly focus on present technologies in automation. Our students have incubated a startup on the campus under the banner TerrorBull, where multidisciplinary ideas on robotics and automation are developed and showcased. Our students have won prestigious design contests in reputed institutes like NITs and IITs, thus proving their mettle.
The Electrical and Electronics Student Association (EELS) is very active in the college campus by organizing several technical and non-technical events. Students are actively involved in building up solar-powered electric vehicle. We have prominent association with industries that allows us to prepare our students to be industry ready on graduation. Our knowledge partner is Celco for socially relevant projects, and our training partner is Tata Power Skill Development Institute.
Industrial visits are regularly organized with an aim in enhancing the visualization and upgradation of the knowledge. Alumni interaction with the department is another key to success for the students. Apart from this, we also had 2 projects funded by VTU under the banner of Innovative Projects of Final Year Undergraduate Students.
The department offers add-on courses on programmable logic controllers, supervisory control and data acquisition, and human-machine interference in collaboration with Inwell Technologies, Pune. We also offer courses on the battery management system for electric vehicle. The department runs a LabVIEW Academy that offers basic and advanced courses on LabVIEW.
The department regularly conducts technical training for upgrading student theoretical knowledge into relevant skills. Our ESR activities inculcate values in students, making them engineers for society. Come, join the Josephite family to build an ingenious, electrifying world.
Come, make your careers bright with us.
Come, join us and experience an academic ambience par excellence.